Hello everybody, CryptoVin here, CryptoVin YouTube channel. Thank you for watching as always. Hello to my fellow GPU miners. Please subscribe, like, and share if you already haven't done so, and hit that notification bell. I appreciate it. Also, if you have any questions or comments, or if you want me to look into a project for you to GPU mine, please let me know in the comments section. I appreciate it. So today I want to talk about BBS Coin and how to mine it. I'm going to do a brief overview of the project, not getting into any technical aspects of it. So here I'm on their webpage, bbscoin.xyz. BBS Coin, a cryptocurrency for exchanging virtual credits from forums and websites, opening the door for your credits, karma points, reputation to the world. Find out more. We create safe cryptocurrency, drive your site successfully. BBS Coin is a cryptocurrency designed for exchanging virtual credits. Whether it is the virtual money gained in forums, points you collected on the websites, or karmas given by your coworkers in the Slack, HipChat, BBS provides a bridge for it to the greater world. There's the technology behind it, ring signatures. We leverage ring signatures to give you true privacy so you can integrate whatever your need is. Platform. We think a coin by itself means nothing, so an ecosystem, an easy consume API was planned from the beginning. It uses the algorithm Cryptonight-Lite. We made the coin easy to mine so anyone can share a part. Cryptonight-Lite is ASIC and FPGA resistant, so as GPU miners, we like that. 184 billion. We designed the coin to have a large supply, so you will never worry about the fractions. So 184 billion coin supply. Get BBS Coin now. Let's click on that, and it brings you to ecosystem, the mining, pools. Here's a pool list. The official pool, which I'm using, is BBS pool. I'll get to that in a minute. Here's the block explorer. If you want some information there, click on it. And the web miner. Exchanges right here if you want to buy it. We've got Crex24 and Trade Ogre. Here's the web wallet if you want to do a web wallet and the APIs. So if you go to downloads, that brings you to the Windows desktop wallet. That's what I used. Windows desktop wallet. Use the appropriate one for yourself. And there's the blockchain height if you want to link on that. And here's the roadmap. We'll take a quick peek. First half of year, they've completed all these things. Got some wallets. Got the Cryptonite fork. Web miner in the browser. So it looks like you can mine on your desktop or laptop, I believe is what I'm getting out of this. Leave a comment if you know a little bit more about this project. And more exchanges for the second half of the year. Long-term body program, airdrop, webhook for web wallet API, continuous improving of the API and documentation, the speed of the wallet, rewrite the desktop wallet, more exchanges, Android, iPhone app, enhanced integration, site admin service platform. Want to learn more? You can follow them on these social media links: Twitter, Discord, Telegram, Medium, GitHub, and the community. And I believe that's about it for the project. If you want to look into it a little bit more yourself, I don't see a white paper. Maybe it's on their Bitcoin Talk or some other social media site. If you find out, let me know. Give me a comment in the comment section. All right, let's go to the pool. I'm here at the BBS coin mining pool. Pool.bbscoin.xyz. I'll leave that in the description of this video. You can estimate your profits, and you put in your wallet information here, and you can look up your payment history once you get going. Currently, there's 49 miners here. The pool is 0.5%, which isn't bad for a fee. Okay, so then you're going to hit connect, because that's the information you need to start mining. Here's the address, and these are the ports you can use: low-end, mid-range hardware, high-end hardware, and professionals, and nice hash here. So I'm going to just use the port 3333, and so you're going to get your wallet. You're going to get your information here. Go to Simplemining. Group config. You're going to go all the way, you're going to go add a group. Go all the way down here to xmrig-Nvidia. And use the corresponding upgrade to 9.1 or 10.0, whatever you want to use. So if you click down here and show more info, you can see the algorithms xmrig-Nvidia supports, Cryptonite. Here's Cryptonite-Lite, which is what we want. You're going to put your command line here, and I will have the command line available in the description of the video. I'm going to go over it right now. Here you can see I'm mining it currently. Here's the command line. -A means algorithm. Cryptonite-Lite -O is the address, pool.bbscoin.xyz. I'm using port again 3333. -U means your wallet address. P is password, and here you just need X. So let's go to rig list. As you can see, I'm mining here. I'm using my Equihash overclock setting right now. I do not have it overclocked for this particular algorithm. Feel free to do that yourself. Okay, let's go look up to the heads-up display. As you can see, I'm getting shares and the command line. I'm getting jobs and the command line is functioning properly. I'm getting let's see. There's a share that's accepted. 6,368.3 hashes. So that's going to be it for this project. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this helps. I hope this gets you up and running if you're interested in mining it. And let me know, have you mined it? Have you heard of the project? What do you think about it? Let me know in the comments section. Please subscribe, like, and share, and don't forget to enter my giveaway. And I have a video there describing the details of that giveaway. Make sure you check it out. Giving away $25 in Bitcoin. So until next time,